I stopped using cleanup apps after discovering this wonderful Windows 11 free tool, which you can use to remove bloatware in Windows 11. You can do the deep cleanup, you can clear cache, you can manage and optimize startup items, which is Microsoft PC Manager. You can download, you can simply search Microsoft PC Manager and you will get it in the Microsoft site. I'll show you. I'll type Microsoft PC Manager and you will find pcmanager.microsoft.com. You can simply visit this site and download it. Download and install it, and it should look like this. This is a really wonderful free software. In home section, you will find Boost, free up resources to help your PC run faster. Second one is the health check. You can check the processes. You can go with the deep cleanup. Once you click on deep cleanup, it will scan your computer and it will remove the junk, cache, whatever the system generated files are there, that will be removed. It will take some time to scan and then it will let you know. You can see it is detecting 5.6. It's a very clean computer, but still it has a lot of, so you can see other application items are there. You need to check and then you can simply uninstall or delete. So I'll go back to home. You can go to the startup app and this will turn on the startup apps and you can simply turn on or off the applications which you need at the startup. You can also go to the protection. You can go with the Windows update. You can change the default browser settings. You can do the taskbar repair. Amazing. It is really. You can also scan for virus and threat protection in Microsoft PC Manager. You can also go to the storage and free up space. You can manage large files. You can check the duplicate files. And if we go to the app section, you can deep uninstall. So you can sort the apps, like I'll select large to small. So here you need to check which app is taking a lot of space and you can simply uninstall it if you do not use it. All right, so you can also try that. This is a wonderful software. Do let me know in the comment section whether you are using this PC Manager or not, and if yes, do you like it or not? I'll be glad if you do so. Please leave the comment and hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day.